What's up, guys? So today, as you can see, I just woke up. Today we're gonna go with my friend. He's gonna go louder on his brand new Honda. I think he's gonna take off the mufflers because he wants his car a little bit louder. So we're gonna go do that, and then once we do that, we're gonna see how it sounds. I'm gonna record a video, before and after, and see how everything is. So yeah, guys, I'll pick up the camera once I'm over there, and I'll show you guys the before and after, and once we're at the muffler shop. So yeah, guys, got me a nice little coffee. Priscilla, lock the door. Got me a coffee. Got my boy over there. Rev that shit, my boy. What's up? Good morning. So we're here at the muffler shop.
Yeah, that shit is still a dream.
Still a dream. So this is it. He's gonna turn it on right now.
Hey, I just don't know how to turn the car on, though.
It's just run the clutch. And just put it in
That's
neutral.
what it was.
Put it in neutral. Someone jump on you. And then just press the start button.
Man, why can't you just get a key, fool?
Huh?
Why can't you just get a key? Well, that's how it sounds. You really can't hear it. He was like, why can't you just get a key, fool? That's it. Hey, you want me to move the box, bro?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
And then to do it is. I can't fuck that.
Ooh. Oh my god, that shit look like it's about to fall. Not nice. Dude, look, that shit's scary.
My heart jumping.
So he's gonna be taking those off, the left box and the right box. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna take off those boxes right there.
You're gonna take that? Yeah.
No, look, they're gonna take off this one. The two little boxes, it has one on this side and one on the other side. The big ass box. No, it's like a metal box. It's the muffler. Look, see those right there? They're gonna take that. They're gonna take that one off and that one off. I think. Anything brand new. Oh, never mind. He's gonna take off that shit, that box, all the way in there. Over there.
Like this?
No, not this. That one over there. The middle one. That one. Not really.
But if I take this,
That would be loud.
Go and take that one off, huh?
So they're gonna take off. They're gonna take off this one and that one. I thought that one was a muffler too, but it's a resonator. They're gonna keep that one on. They're just gonna take those one off. Look at that clean ass truck. That's just freaking clean. And 350 in it. Oh, it has one off already.
Once it's off, you just have a fucking
No? Did you have the keys? He's about to turn on the car right now. Yeah, we're gonna take him. Yeah.